I want to start with this conversation right here. Your phone isn't connecting you to the world in most cases. It's actually disconnecting you from your purpose, and we don't even know that it's happening. I've been quiet on here for the past week, right? Because I had to handle some real life events, business moves, family situations, and just actual conversations that matter. And what I've realized, the world didn't end, my purpose didn't stop, my growth didn't pause. If anything, it accelerated. But most of us can't go 20 minutes without checking our phones, let alone a whole week of really engaging. Right? So with every buzz, every ring, every notification, every scroll, it's pulling our attention away from the things that actually can build you and my life. Question: when's the last time that you handled business without documenting it? When's the last time you solved a problem without posting about it first? See, they keep us addicted to this screen because a person who handles real life instead of performing online is dangerous and can be dangerous to a system that profits off our need for validation. The breakthrough that you're looking for isn't in the next scroll. It's in the real world that you and I keep avoiding. Part 2 is coming on this conversation. I want to dig a little deeper. But yeah.